able to see um, everyone that's on the call. And I want to take a couple minutes just to, first of all, commend you on being in this space, which means that you have been committing your time and energy towards being excellent and good at something, which is around this teaching, learning, and promoting students and their capacity to do well in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and beyond, beyond, beyond. Anyway, I wanted to take a moment just to introduce again our esteemed presenter, which will be Dr. Diana Bowen, who is a colleague here at the University of the Virgin Islands, where she teaches mathematics as well as math education. And she has been a critical contributor to a lot of the work that we're doing here at the University of Virgin Islands to understand our particular strategies for developing STEM majors. And so I'm really excited that she's going to bring an opportunity for all of us to understand how to bridge the critical knowledge around pedagogy, but also these psychosocial interventions and growth mindset research so that we can better our practice and so that we can bridge for a lot of our students opportunities to be able to do well in STEM and to know that they come with their own particular genius to be successful. So I'm really excited about you being here. And we're going to now hear from Dr. Bowen.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to session 2. And today we're going to shift from really knowing about growth mindset and growth mindset in our classrooms to actually talking about some of the strategies and tools in today's session. And so here's our timeline for session 2. And we're going to take the opportunity to return to our pre-session activities and using a Think, Pair, Share, talk about both our growth mindset stories and also the concept of false growth mindset. And then after reading your exit tickets from our last session, we are going to go back and spend some time noticing and naming student strengths and doing a discussion around that activity, as well as going back to some of what you all shared during that pre-session activity using that sentence frame. We'll then take a break. And when we come back from that break, we'll be talking about strategies for active learning and how we use them in our classrooms or the potential they have to be used in our classrooms. We'll also talk about some reflection. So how do we do sections? And then I'll do a third session, which really focuses on observation tools and different resources you can use with your students to promote a growth mindset. And lastly, you'll have an exit ticket once again that will look at one of those reflection strategies on learning. And then afterward, you are welcome to stick around for an optional happy hour where we will be unpacking some of that loaded history around the concept of smartness.